So ito po ang ating nilabas na memorandum signed by our very own Undersecretary, okay, Wilfredo Cabral. Okay, ang title po nito ay NEA Professional Development Programs for School Year 2024-2025 in Service Training or INSET. Alam natin na meron tayong INSET break. So bigyan lang namin kayo ng guidance on how to manage this. So, in line with point by point and the narrative, if necessary, per item, in line with the department's commitment to upgrade the quality and competence of teaching and teaching-related personnel, so congruent with the professional standards, the in-service training for school year 2024-2025 will still be conducted. Kailan po ito? Next week, November 25, 2020 to 29, 2024. However, we recognize that there are other unforeseen circumstances. So, flexibility, the reason why flexibility on the dates and delivery modality shall be given to schools with suspensions. Klaro po ha, yung may mga suspensions caused by typhoons and other unforeseen circumstances. However, din po for schools naman na not affected by the aforesaid suspensions, okay, the INSET shall. So, shall po ang ginamit natin dyan, diretso tayo, ano po? Shall be conducted as scheduled. Okay? On the other hand, for schools affected by in-person class suspension, a separate issuance shall be released from proper guidance. Ang ikatlong item po natin, ano meron? So for this year's INSET, the National Educators Academy of the Philippines can offer you professional development programs intended to support and extend teacher subject area content knowledge and pedagogy. Okay, so which can be accessed through the link. Meron po tayong link na nakalagay sa memo at ito po ay enclosure 1 ng ating memorandum. Okay. So, yun po ha, ang ibig sabihin po nito, okay, it means ito pong item 3, may na-develop na po ang NEA dito sa central office ng mga programa. Okay? Kung sakaling wala pa kayong na-develop sa school. Meron na din pong quality assured ang regions at meron na rin quality assured ang mga divisions. At we assume yung mga quality assured na yon ay meron na rin pong CPD. Para ang intent po ng lahat ng ito ay pwedeng magamit at the school level. Okay, so yun po ha, uulitin ko. Sa INSET ngayong 2024, naghanda ang NEAP ng mga programa na i-avail nyo na lang at i-implement sa inyong mga schools. Okay? At kung kulang pa po itong mga programang naihanda ng NEAP, okay, meron na rin pong naihanda ang rehiyon ninyo at ang inyong mga division. At ang ito ay may QA na, certificate, at meron pa itong CPD. At itong mga ito ang inaasahan namin na gagamitin nyo sa INSET. Okay? Kung ito man ay gaganapin nyo next week, ready na po itong mga ito. Okay? At kung ito man ay sa mga kasunod na pagkakataon dahil kayo may suspension, ito available po itong mga ito. Okay po? Klaro, ano po? So, huwag po magsasabi na wala pa kaming gawa. Okay? Meron pong nakahanda. Gagamitin nyo na lang. Okay? Alright. Number 4, item 4. So, with a professional learning ecosystem approach, meaning to say, ito pong mga nagawa sa CO, RO, SDO, okay, pwede po ito ipagamit nyo sa school. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. So, all governance levels muna ang binanggit ko dyan of the department are responsible for the effective implementation and management of the PD programs using or employing various modalities. Okay? Not necessarily the usual that we know, the face-to-face. Okay po? So, ang sinabi ko muna dito, pag sinabi kasing ecosystem, later on, once we lift the moratorium, we can allow others outside DepEd. But by now, internal muna tayo within DepEd. Okay po? Klaro? Okay?